So I hold 30 shares of Waaree Energies.
Okay.
So I bought it at 3,200 back in December 2024.
All right.
So for me, it was a very good, fundamentally good solar company. But since then, it has faced some losses. And with the tariffs thing going on, so I'm kind of skeptic about the growth of the company and how it could affect the revenue in the future. So I'm looking to hold it for 9 months to 10 months. So should I hold or should I sell?
Okay. So, but it's a fundamental view. Why just 9 to 10 months?
The thing is, the solar stocks actually are good, but then I'm kind of skeptic, like let's say in a 2 to 3 years perspective. So 9 to 10 months, I'm just experimenting.
Understood. Understood. Okay. So let me get you a fundamental view then. And Nirav, what's the opinion? So rightly so, we don't know how the trade negotiations are going to pan out. Chances are that we'll see a mini deal between the US and India sometime this week. That's what we're hearing from sources. But the real deal could take place in September or maybe after that. What are the prospects for Waaree at this stage? And should you hold for 9 to 10 months, maybe even beyond that?
Well, one thing which we need to take into account is that if you are into the renewable energy space, then you will require a lot of patience. And especially with respect to when you are building up a kind of a giga corridor where you will be manufacturing the solar photovoltaic modules and the glass, the cells, the wafers, the ingots, the polysilicon chips. So you are going to get the benefit of a lower operating cost cycle. You are going to get the benefit of backward integration. So I think that's going to play out very well as far as the margins are concerned. So this could be a very, very competitive player as far as the costs are concerned. And we could see an amazing growth in profitability, but patience will be required. So I would really urge him to hold on to his investments.
Okay. All right. We've got our next question on transformers and rectifiers. And this is a question from Thiruvallar Lingam, who's writing in from Gujarat, but who says that he's originally from Chennai. I would have guessed that from the name. But he's bought at levels of 471 and he's got 22 shares. He's looking to hold for the next 3 years. He's wondering whether to accumulate at the current price. A lot has happened in the transformers and in fact the T&D space as well, or that power sector as a whole. So would you suggest adding more to this, or are there better prospects, Nirav, on the fundamentals and valuations?
Well, everything is quite expensive in the T&D space. I think everything has run up. By virtue of its size, I think TRIL is a small player. Still, it needs to scale up in a big way going forward. We've got smaller players like transformers, rectifiers, or a Voltamp, etc. But if he wants to add something, I think he can look at GE Vernova, which is looking quite good. Hitachi Energy is also quite good, but it's run up quite a lot. It's looking way too expensive at this point of time now. And we have Siemens Energy, which is also trading on the premium side. So I think what he could do is maybe have a look at GE Vernova to add more stock over there.
I just